On August 28th, Wisconsin joined a multi-state lawsuit seeking to block the US Department of Health and Human Services from sharing Medicaid data with the US Department of Homeland Security. Wisconsin's Department of Justice says the amended lawsuit is necessary to keep the federal agencies from using Medicaid data for purposes of immigration enforcement, surveillance, or other invasive purposes. Using the data, they say, violates confidentiality protections, keeps people from enrolling in Medicaid, and actually keeps people from using health care. Wisconsin's Department of Justice says the state is required to share certain information with the federal government in order to receive Medicaid funding in the first place, and those submissions have always been made with the understanding that that data would only be used to administer the Medicaid program. And the federal government's, therefore, disclosure of Medicaid data for purposes of immigration enforcement violates confidentiality protections. It was back on August 12th that a federal judge made a ruling in the case brought by 20 states seeking to block the data sharing between Medicaid and ICE. In that court's ruling, the judge issued a temporary injunction blocking the sharing of that information with the 20 states until the parties could undergo reasoned decision-making about data sharing. Now, that does not yet impact Wisconsin. Generally, when a new state joins a lawsuit where there already is an injunction in place, it does not automatically extend to that new state. For the injunction to apply to the new state, in this case Wisconsin, the court must explicitly grant such relief. Joining Wisconsin in the most recent lawsuit filing are those 20 other states. We list them on the screen. They include Arizona, California, Colorado, Connecticut, among others. Wisconsin's Attorney General Josh Kaul said in a statement, information that the federal government has about people's health should be safeguarded. It shouldn't be used at the federal government's discretion. You can read more about that amended lawsuit. We link to it in the description below.